Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I'll show you how you can make your Huawei MatePad SE louder. So sadly in this device we don't have any options in the default system settings like equalizer or something like that. So we have to download an app for that. So in the Huawei store look for this app. Then go to by the Huawei store, go to the APK Pure and slide down to the download APK. Now tap download and wait a second. Now just simply install it and open this app. Then click no thank you 3 times and close this window. Then tap OK, and by this little slider you can increase or decrease the volume speaker booster. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.